Very warm good morning, children. In the last lecture, till you have learned about the symbols of atoms, that Virginius has given the symbols according to LBC. This is the very first letter or first and second letter as well. The first and third prominent letters are the symbols of the particular elements or atoms. Today we are starting with 3.2.3, that is how do atoms exist? Atom कैसे exist करेंगे nature में? Mostly like elements are there in the free form, that is gold, then that is coal, that is they are in the free nature. But most of the atoms they are joined together, combined, they in the combined form. वो nature में independently exist होते हैं नहीं, अकेले होते नहीं हैं, या तो वो ऑक्साइड के साथ होते हैं या तो फ्लोराइड या तो सल्फर के साथ कहीं ना कहीं कंबाइन होते हैं. So whenever the atoms combine by such mean of the chemical force or chemical bond, they are forming the molecule. So today we are just learning about the molecules and the types of molecules. So here we'll starting with the molecules. Here when we'll talk about the molecules, it is the smallest particle of the atoms. That means when we'll talk about the atoms, atoms are the very smallest particles of the element which are not going to be further divided into anything simple. That was given by Dalton, what we have learned. Now molecule. When we talk about the molecule, here you can see that it is a general group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded. It means two or more atoms, they are chemically joined together. By a tightly attractive force of attraction. They are held together by the tightly, or we can say that they are held together by the attractive force and which is a very, we can say that strong force of attraction. Now when we talk about the molecule, it can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence and show all the properties of the particular substance. So atoms of the same elements or the different elements can join together to form molecule. या तो एक तरह के एटम एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन हो सकते हैं. That means when we talk about hydrogen and hydrogen over here, when we talk about the particular atoms which are having the similar properties, they are hydrogen and hydrogen. So whenever they are chemically combined, they are forming H2 molecule. Okay. But when we talk about hydrogen and chlorine, both are the different entities which are forming the compound which is different in nature. So today we will learn about the types of the molecules. So when we talk about the types of molecule over here, these are very first molecules of the elements. They are either considered by same type of atoms. That means molecules of the many elements such as when we talk about argon. Over here, in which we have to learn about atomicity. Atomicity is nothing. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है atomicity. That means atomicity is defined as the number of the atom constituting the molecule. जितने number of atom से molecule बना है उसे हम बोलेंगे atomicity. That means how it is defined. अगर ये atomicity है तो मैं उसे लिखूँगी. That is number of atoms which constitute the molecule. So here we are just having a non-atom. Argon is a simple monoatomic. Monoatomic means वो एक ही एटम से बना है. Helium वो एक ही एटम से बना है. Oxygen. When we will talk about oxygen to chlorine, it are always there in the form of O2, H2, N2, Cl2. That means they are made up by two of the atoms. दो एटम से बने हुए इसीलिए उसे बोलेंगे डायatomic in nature. Now tetraatomic over here. Triatomic you can write O3, ozone. Ozone is a triatomic molecule. Tetraatomic phosphorus is always written as P4 and sulfur 4 से अगर ज़्यादा है तो हम लिखेंगे S6, that is polyatomic. Metal की अगर बात करते हैं, सोडियम is monoatomic, iron that is monoatomic, aluminium that is monoatomic, copper that is monoatomic. So when you talked about molecule of an element of same type of element, in which we have to learn about the atomicity. Atomicity is nothing but it is the number of atoms which are constituting the molecule. या तो वो एक ही एटम से बना हुआ है मॉलिक्यूल, या तो एक से ज़्यादा एटम से बना हुआ है. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट the particular molecule are classified as monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule, tetraatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. मोनोएटॉमिक, मोनो डेट मीन्स एक ही एटम से बना है. वैसा अगर एग्जांपल देना है तो आर्गन है, नियन है, तो ये तो मोनोएटॉमिक नॉन मेटल. अगर बात करते हैं मेटल्स की, सोडियम, आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर, सो दे आर ऑलवेज रिटन इन अ सिंगल फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स सोडियम एज Na, natrium, Fe, ferrum, एल्यूमिनियम एंड कॉपर, सी, क्यूप्रिक. ये जो भी है ग्रीक लेटर से या तो लैटिन वर्ड से जाने जाते हैं. तो दे आर देयर इन द सिंगल फॉर्म, सिंगल मोनोएटॉमिक फॉर्म, वेयर एज ऑक्सीजन इज ऑलवेज रिटन एज O2. दैट मीन्स दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ 2 atoms. That means it is constituting by 2 of the oxygen atom. Nitrogen is also, chlorine is also, fluorine is also, hydrogen is also. Mostly non-metals are there in the nature, exist in the nature in the form of diatomic molecule. Triatomic में आप ओजोन लिख सकते हो, जिसका फॉर्मूला है O3. It is made up of 3 atoms of oxygen. Then tetraatomic we can write phosphorus. It is made up by 4 atoms of phosphorus. And lastly about sulfur, more than 4 atoms, then we can write polyatomic. So 6 atoms of sulfur combine together to form a sulfur molecule. So that is about the molecules of elements. Now we will learn about the second type, molecules of compound. In molecules there are 2 types, molecules of an element and molecules of compound. Here you can see over here molecules of compound. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो atoms of different elements join together in definite proportion to form a molecule of compound. तो अगर different property के साथ अगर atoms join together है तो हम उसे बोलेंगे compound. ये हमने पहले भी देखा हुआ है by the ratio by mass. हमने देखा हुआ है वाटर के लिए in the law of constant proportion में we have learned about this particular that water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, where 1 gram of hydrogen it reacts with 8 gram of oxygen. Ammonia it is made up of nitrogen, that is 14 gram of nitrogen react with 3 gram of hydrogen, that means NH3. Water it is having formula H2O. Carbon dioxide CO2, that means you can write that 12 gram of carbon is going to be react with 16 to 32 gram of oxygen. So this is known as molecule of compound. Then you can write the formula of water, that is H2O. Ammonia you can write NH3 and carbon dioxide is CO2. So here it is about the molecules of compound. So molecules are nothing but mostly when we talked about atoms when we talked about in the nature, they are mostly not in the independent nature. Independently they are not exist, they are there in the combined form. So whenever they are combined by the similar atoms in the particular nature with the strong attractive force, at a time there is a formation of molecule, and that time molecules are of 2 types, molecules of elements, same elements, and molecules of compounds. Molecules of element, they are of the same type of elements or atoms combined, and in molecules of compound, different type of element are going to combine with the chemical bond with a fixed amount of their ratio by mass. So that is about the types of molecule. Now we will learn about the very next one, that is the table which is given. यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा गया है, you can just see over here that ratio by mass HNO synthase ratio. So यहाँ पे दिया गया है before the activity, and we have to just give the amount of. So here you can write that the particular formula of the compound is of water, it is H2. Now we have to learn about what is an ion. Ion are known as a charged particles, and they are formed by either losing the electrons or either gaining the electron. So we learn about the types of ions. So यहाँ पे लिखा है compounds. They are mostly composed of metals and non-metals, which contain charged species, and that particular charged species they are known as ions. तो ion की definition हम क्या लिखेंगे? That charged species are known as ions. Now, which particular ion which contain negatively charged ion that are known as anion, and positive charged ion that are known as cation. So when we talked about anion and cation, children, so charged species, metals or non-metals, when they are going to combine, they are forming compound. So when we talked about metals, they are always forming positively charged ion, and non-metals, they are always forming negatively charged ion. Positively charged ions, they are known as cations, and negatively charged, they are known as anion. You can see over here that compounds, when we talked about the compounds of you can just see over here that compounds are of two types. Sorry for inconvenience, because you can see the particular property very well. I am just doing the setting, but it is not there. Compounds composed of metals and non-metals. फिर से याद रखिए. When we talk about the definition of ions, charged particles, they are known as ion. And when we talk about ions, metals, they are always forming positively charged ions that are known as cation. Non-metals, they are always forming negatively charged ion and that are known as anions. So when we talk about the example given over here, that is sodium chloride, NaCl, that is known as common salt or table salt, which we are using at home for cooking purpose. So when we talk about NaCl, that is made up of sodium ion, that is known as cation, or we can write that positive charged ion, and Cl minus, that is anion, or we can write that negative ion or negative charge ion. So that is about the ions. Charged species, they are known as ions. Now let us see the next one over here. Now a group of atom, ये सबसे important है. If you see over here, यहाँ पे जो भी definition है पूछी जाती है बारी बारी. Polyatomic ion. Poly का मीनिंग होता है many. So a group of atoms which carry either positive or negative charge, that are known as polyatomic ion. Suppose I am talking about NH4. It is a group of 5 atoms. Polyatomic, number of atoms are there. It is 5. 1 nitrogen and 4 hydrogen plus NH4 plus, that is polyatomic ion. In same manner, CO3 2 minus. So these are the examples of polyatomic ion. एक से ज़्यादा एटम अगर है, ग्रुप्ड है और उसके ऊपर कोई चार्ज है, या तो पॉजिटिव या तो नेगेटिव, तो उसे बोलेंगे polyatomic ion. So that what we have learned about today. What we have learned about. So here we have learned about the particular atom in the nature. कभी कभी इंडिपेंडेंटली एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता है, वो कंबाइंड फॉर्म में होता है. सो वेन एवर एटम्स केमिकली कंबाइंड विद द सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम, तो उसे मैं बोलूँगी मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ एलिमेंट. एंड दैट इन विच वी हैव लर्न अबाउट द एटोमिसिटी. Atomicity is nothing but the number of atoms which are present in the molecule. And when we talked about the number of atomicity, number of atoms which classify the molecule of elements into monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetraatomic and polyatomic. So that's what we have learned. Then about we have learned about the molecule of compound, children, in which we have learned that whenever different type of elements or atoms chemically combined with a strong attractive force, they are forming the compound of, we can say that molecule of compound. So in which we have learned about H2O, it is 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen, NH3 14 gram of nitrogen and 3 gram of hydrogen, and carbon dioxide, in which for 12 gram of carbon react with 32 gram of oxygen. So that's what we have learned about the molecules. Then after we have talked about ions. Ions are nothing but they are the charged species of particular, and when we talked about the charged species of particular substance carrying whenever the substance carrying a charged species, they are known as ions. They are categorized as a cation as well as anion. Cations are always positively charged and metals are always forming cation. Anion, they are negatively charged species and they are always formed by non-metals. So whenever that metal non-metal combine, they are forming either cation or anion, in which we have just seen the example of sodium chloride. It is made up of sodium ion Na plus, that is cation, and Cl minus chloride ion, that is anion. Then after we have talked about the polyatomic ion. So whenever we talked about polyatomic ion, a group of ions or a group of atoms which carrying either positive or negative charge, that are known as polyatomic ion, in which we have talked about NH4, ammonium ion and carbonate ion. You can write many more, which we are just going to see. So in the next lecture, Sarita Madam will start with how to write the formula of the compound. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.